New car on the channel. We got a 2LT. Nice carbon package. It's been a car that I've been waiting for a while to come through so I can do some work to it. Exhaust finally came in. I like that little plate that they made for it. It's a Valvetronic exhaust. I'll let y'all check out the rest of the lineup. Got the Supra again. And we got my car. So it's looking like a pretty nice little tuner garage today. So, all right, y'all, let me get started. All right, y'all. First thing first, we got to take those off on both sides and all of these trim bolts along the top of the bumper so we can get the bump off so we can access that. Also, once I get this off, I'll be able to access the top part of the exhaust to be able to get to it. According to the one video that I seen, take the little spats off. I gotta remove the fender liner and a few more things on the bumper to get the bump out. That should pretty much be it. So get started on that and getting those off. I'll be back with y'all after I remove 90,000 bolts, I feel like. Alright guys, so I've gotten all the liner out. That's giving me access. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like 2 bolts. That bolt and that bolt gotta come off. Same thing for this side. Both gotta come off. That'll drop the exhaust. So we got that loose. And of course you can see the fender liner here. Taking that loose. Left the camera on the tripod. I've popped loose one hanger right there. Valve is disconnected. Now I'm working on the bumper bolts. Might be hard to see it now. That's 10, and then they had 2 torch bits. So now I'm gonna move around to the other side, and then I still got all of those that line this part. Waiting on the buddy to get back with the painter's tape because I forgot it. So I can line this area on both sides with painter's tape so we don't scratch any of the paint. Alright guys, I didn't film much of the install because we ran into an exhaust stud issue over here. But we actually had to pry it off and then re-thread it to get it on. And we added washers over there also, and exhaust gasket maker just to be sure on the seal. This side went fine. Don't ask me why it's 2 bolts on this side and 15 millimeter and 3 bolts on this side and 13 millimeter bolts. I don't know why. But we got it in. That's the look of it. We just finished snugging up the tips. And we're about to give you a cold start with a fabspeed exhaust on the C8. Alright. Is that the key on the ground? Yeah.